Admission to the hospital.
住院手续
Anesthesia.
麻醉
Blood test.
验血
Blood transfusion.
输血
Breast exam.
乳房检查
Discharge from the hospital.
出院
Draw blood.
抽血
Emergency.
紧急
Emergency treatment.
急诊
Examination.
检查
Hospitalized.
住院
Injection.
打针
IV fluids.
输液
Lab tests.
化验
Listen to your heartbeat.
听诊
Medical bill.
医疗费
MRI scan.
MRI 扫描
Outcome result.
结果
Pap smear.
宫颈检查
Prostate exam.
前列腺检查
If you're enjoying this video, please smash that like button. Now, let's get back to our lesson. Pulse.
脉搏
Recover.
康复
Register.
挂号
When you register, you may need the next 3 items. Insurance.
保险
Health ID card.
健保卡
Numbered ticket.
号码牌
See a doctor.
看病
Stool test.
粪便检查
Surgery.
外科手术
Take blood pressure.
量血压
Take medicine.
吃药
Take temperature.
试表
Treatment.
治疗
Ultrasound.
超声波
Vaccine.
疫苗
Vision eye test.
视力检查
Write a prescription.
写处方
X-ray.
X 光
That's all for this video. Join us next time when we'll learn vocabulary related to pain, sickness, and health concerns. Bye for now.